If you want to make money on YouTube without showing your face, without other people knowing that you are making content, then in this video, I'm going to show you 10 faceless YouTube niches that actually can pay better than your job. And that's exactly what I've done 5 years ago, and since then started more channels, got millions of subscribers, made millions of dollars in AdSense revenue. So let's get into it. Now, the typical job in the US makes about $4,000 to $5,000 per month. So all of these niches, all of these channels that I will be showing you today will be making at least $5,000 plus per month, but some of them will be making a lot more than that. Let's start with a niche that's often overlooked by people outside the US, but is massive: American football. I know a lot of you are either working in sports or are passionate about sports, especially the men watching. And here's the thing. You can basically start any sports channel, and if you do it right, it can make $5,000 a month or more. The channel that I want to show you here, it's called Blitz, right? They have 93 videos and they have 160,000 views, which is great. If we see their channel stats right here, they got over 2.8 million views in the last 30 days, which is just insane. And they have estimated monthly earnings of up to $8,000. Their videos are slightly longer, so about 20 minutes, which means they have a slightly higher cost of production. But I mean, this is just out of this world. They're insanely well done, and they don't have a lot of competition. There's not a lot of channels like this one out there making money in American football or related topics, which I think it's a good opportunity for you. I mean, they have videos with 4.8 million views, 3.2 million views, 3 million views on a single video. And in total, let's see, they've gotten over 62 million views. If we give them a conservative $5 RPM, they've made over $300,000 from this channel alone, just in AdSense revenue. No brand deals, no affiliate marketing, just ads, $300,000. And look, I've never played American football, never went to an American college. I went to college in Romania, so I don't know much about the sport. But what I do know, their videos are so well produced that even I want to watch them, and I don't even follow the sport. So the big thing here is production value and team. If you can put together a good team and build a good audience, you're not just making cash flow. You're building a digital asset with real enterprise value, and that's not true for every channel. If you just post random topics or have low production, you're not building a valuable asset, but with a channel like this, you definitely are. So if you're interested in American football or sports in general, you can start a channel like this and potentially make more money than your current job. And it could be basketball, golf, even fishing. Next up, cars. I think almost everyone watching in this video is interested in cars, and I was too. 2 years ago, I started a channel called Vintage Vehicles, and it went on to make me over $100,000 in AdSense revenue, plus another $100,000 in enterprise value. And that's over $200,000 in the car niche that I made in less than 12 months. So as you can see, on Vintage Vehicles, I was making videos about vintage pickup trucks. That was the first kind of format that worked, and then it just evolved. We talked on everything from pickup trucks to motorcycles to trucks, and it was all over the place. But the most popular video, funny enough, was 20 car innovations that did not stand the test of time. So if you go here, lifetime, you can see that it generated over $129,000 in AdSense revenue alone. And that one video that I showed you earlier, the one with a million views, this one video alone, 1.5 million views, got $19,244.51 off of a $50 to $100 investment. By the way, if you want to work with me directly to build a similar channel yourself, I would love to help. Click the link in the description, book a call, and let's talk about it. Because here's the thing, there is still room in this space. Not many people are doing vintage cars today, or they have really niched down. The niche has definitely expanded since I started the channel, and there are more opportunities than ever. And take this channel right here, Cinema Cars. They have 94 videos, 20,000 subscribers, and for some reason, they've kind of stopped posting, right? They're not making content anymore. But they have videos on this channel with 600,000 views, 500,000 views, and those are very fun videos, right? If you're passionate about cars and movies, this is the perfect combination, and even more so now that they stopped posting. I don't know why they did, because they were very successful. I mean, they got over 5 million views. They only started making these videos 5-ish months ago. 5 million views in 5 months, that's a million views a month, easily more than $5,000 that this channel was making. So this might be an opportunity. And these are just two formats, vintage cars and cinema cars. There's also budget cars, car tips, motorcycles, and more. So the opportunity is huge. Now let's talk about the next niche, which is investing. This is probably one of my favorite topics and one of the best niches on today's list. If I were starting a channel today, I would definitely go for something money related, whether it be investing, finance, or business. The best example that I have for this niche is this channel right here called Nick Invest. They have 180 videos, but they've only started posting 6 months ago, so they've really been at it. And since then, they've gotten over 12 million views, and which I'll tell you in a second, it's a lot, but they're making up to $23,000 per month in AdSense revenue. And their videos are just so good. They're taking big but rather simple financial topics, and they're making these animated videos explaining them in a very fun and simple way. And here's the kicker: if you capture an audience in finance, you'll have brands lining up to sponsor your videos. And let me show you another example real quick. Alicia Invests. If you see, it's the same playbook. It's even the same name of the channel, the same type of videos. I would say these are not even as good as Nick Invest, but it doesn't really matter because this channel is still making upwards of $7,000 per month, right? You know how I always say that you don't need to reinvent the wheel, you don't need to find original video ideas. This person right here, this owner, just took what Nick Invest was doing and just created it from a female perspective, right? And it's working. I mean, they're getting a bunch of views. They've only started 1 month ago, and this channel is already booming. I think you can do this as well. And that's genius. I think there's still so much more room for innovation and new voices in this space. So if you work in finance or investing, or if you're just interested, this niche can easily make you $5,000, $10,000, even $20,000 a month once you have gained some traction. Staying in the money realm, for niche number 4, let's look at economy news. This is similar to finance and investing, but with a broader, maybe documentary style approach. The first channel I want to look at in this niche is called Established Context. And if we filter by oldest, you can see they started posting 1 year ago really consistently. They had a video 3 years ago, 2 years ago, but nothing crazy. And about 1 year ago, they really started making this very good looking and very well put together, very well researched documentaries that are working very well for them, right? In their last 30 days, they're making 500,000 views. And the beauty with economics or business or finance is that you don't need to get a bunch of views because you are going to get paid more for every 1,000 views, meaning your RPM is going to be higher. So even with just 500,000 views a month, this channel is making upwards of $7,000, and these videos are definitely well researched, definitely a lot of time went into the production, but I'd say it's not impossible, especially with AI right now. If you're passionate about this, or maybe if you work in anything related to media or documentaries, this could be an easy win. Epic Economist is another example, and they're slightly different. They're almost like a TV show, like a news show, but on YouTube, right? They have been posting for quite some time. They've been at it for 7 years now, and I mean, for merit, they've gotten over 120 million views. I cannot do the math right now, but I think that's over $1 million in AdSense revenue alone, if I'm not mistaken, which is very, very good. Even if you divide it by 7 years, that's more than a 6-figure salary each and every single year. And recently they started adding a character in their thumbnails to make the videos look more appealing and to make them seem more. But for the longest time ever, guys, this was a faceless channel. So if we scroll down, for the first 6 years and 7 months, they didn't have a face and they just started adding it now. So I don't think you need that. I don't think you need to have a face. And there's definitely more room because there's more space for news. People always want to see news every single day, which allows them to post a high volume of content, but it also allows you to find your own sub niche, allows you to pivot just a little bit to the left, a little bit to the right, and make a similar channel like this and potentially make more than $5,000 a month. I mean, right now, they're getting upwards of $10,000 a month. And again, they've made over $1 million from AdSense revenue alone, so definitely possible. Now, switching gears a little bit because I know not everybody is interested in finance, let's talk about TV shows. I don't watch much TV myself, but these channels are just sick. I really like them in general as concepts, even though I don't even know the TV shows that they're talking about. So if you do, I'm sure you're gonna love them even more. I found a channel right here called The Rookie Central, which I later learned that it's actually a show, a whole show. So there is an entire channel, Faceless YouTube channel by an owner that has nothing to do with the show, that is making videos and kind of commentating and making notes and jokes at what these people are doing in this series. And it's going very well for them. They're getting over 2.2 million views in the last 30 days, which brings them up to $10,000 in AdSense revenue alone. And this is only about one show. If you love a particular show or you're watching one right now that you think is going to be around for at least a couple of years, you can definitely do something similar. And even if you don't, I think this niche still has potential because let's take a look at this. Reality Buzz is another channel that started 5 years ago. So they've been making this type of content for 5 years now, and they cover multiple shows. They have what? They have Hell's Kitchen, they have Bar's Rescue right here, they have MasterChef. It looks to be a lot of cooking shows, but I'm sure you could do this for multiple shows together. And again, they've been doing this for the last 5 years, and they're still making upwards of $5,000 per month right now. The key here is knowing what these fans want, because these are diehard audiences audience, and you have to resonate with them if you want to have an unfair advantage, right? A perfect example that I have here is that someone in my community has a channel similar to this one, the Red 5, and it's basically all about Star Wars, as you can see. Now, it might seem small, it might seem niche, but I know that my client makes more than $10,000 per month consistently, and obviously for their privacy, I'm not going to reveal the channel that it is, but it's very similar to Star Wars, and I can tell you that they definitely make a bunch of money, and if there can be a Star Wars channel, and actually multiple of them, I'm sure there can be more channels like this about other shows and other movie series. For niche number 6, let's move to something that you might not have thought about: royal and celebrity channels. Now, I'm sure you've seen videos or channels like this one, Wealth Vault, right? They're cover the most expensive stuff in the world. They make these very nice looking thumbnails like stupidly expensive thing Elon Musk owns, 1.9 million views, billionaires' most expensive cars even millionaires can afford, a bunch of wealth, right? A lot of luxury. And the crazy thing is, this channel is only posting once a week. Like, as you can see, 7 days ago, 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago. They've only posted 79 videos in total, and they're still making $3,000 a month, right? It's not quite up there for our $5,000 per month goal, but I think if you just post a little bit more and are able to make this type of quality, which now with AI it's easier, you can definitely up that to 5,000. It's very possible to make money with faceless videos of wealth, luxury, and expensive items. But here's the twist. I found this channel called Buzz Story. As you can see from their banner and from their videos, they focus mostly on royalties, right? People in positions of power or different royalties from all around the world, which is obviously a smaller niche, right? I would say it's even a sub niche of wealth and luxury. But here's the crazy part. Because they post more videos and they sub niched, they actually make more money, not less, compared to Wealth Vault. This channel is making upwards of $7,000 a month, so more than double, right? That's saying that the riches are in the niches definitely applies right here. And I'm sure there might be more space in royal celebrities and covering topics like this one, but if not, I'm sure there's other pockets, there's other sub niches that you can do and start a wealthy or a luxury channel in and make that $5,000 per month. $5,000 a month is definitely possible, and with the right angle, it can even go much higher. Up next, military history is a classic niche with a passionate audience. I haven't been in the military myself, but my father did, and I know how much he loves to talk about it. And there's a lot of diversity here. Some channels focus only on wars, like World War II, others only focus on fighter jets, and others on naval history. And I'm going to show you 2 channels right here. The first one is called Dark Seas. They've been around for quite some time, for 40 years now, and this is good because this proves that, okay, this is an evergreen niche that once you crack it, you can make money for multiple years to come, not just for a couple of months, right? And recently, they post a bunch of videos about allied navies, the Titanic. They put guns on a massive ship for nothing, the smallest, luckiest, crazy ship of World War II. So they cover a lot of different topics, from naval ships to submarines to guns, etc. And they're doing pretty good as far as I remember. They're making upwards of $5,000 per month. And another interesting one that I really like, it's called Navy Media. So they're more niche. They're more focused on naval stuff. They've only posted 155 videos. They've also been around for quite some time, I would say 2-ish years. And I would say overall, they just have a better production, right? Their tunnels are better, they're getting more views. I think they're posting a little bit more as well. And as you guessed it, that leads to them making more money. This channel is making up to $10,000 per month, which is double than Dark Sea. So once again, we have the proof that going niche actually can make you more money if the topic is big and broad enough, of course. In the past, you needed deep expertise to make this content, but now with AI, you can research and write script much more easily and definitely more cost efficiently. But this niche is not for everyone. It's best for people who have a real passion for military topics or who work or have work in the field. I think if you're just chasing the money, you will get outworked and outsmarted by someone who genuinely loves the subject and has the extra edge. So for the right person, military history channels are perfect candidates for $5,000 to $7,000 per month. By the way, if you want to work with me directly to build a similar channel yourself, I would love to help. Click the link in the description, book a call, and let's talk about it. Niche number 8, geopolitics is a more serious evergreen niche, but similar to military history. You need to be somewhat interested in geography and global affairs, but if you do, and if you succeed in this niche, the rewards are huge. Because recently, I've seen more and more channels making $10,000 to $20,000 per month in this space because the audience is global, usually well educated, and has higher spending power. So the RPM is high and the content is always relevant, so there's a lot of it. And for this niche, I'll just give you one example because I think it's so good, but just know that there's multiple ways that this can be done and there's multiple formats here as well. Let's look at this channel called Across the Globe. They make very good videos and very often. And as you can see, if you filter by most popular, you'll see that they have different formats throughout their history, like countries that will pay you to live here, cheapest countries to live, why nobody lives in 10 big cities, and more recently, they're doing 50 insane facts about Connecticut that sound fake, or It Begins, 15 fastest collapses countries in 2026. Between all these videos, they've been around for about 5 years now, so they've definitely been consistent. Again, another good sign that this can make money for the long term. And recently, they're making upwards of $12,000 per month with relatively simple videos. But here's the mistake that most people make, or at least they think, right? They think you need to have a unique format before you start, when in reality, you should try a little bit of everything and see what works and then double down, right? So my recommendation is don't overthink it. Start, experiment, and let the results, let the data guide you. And once you have a small audience and a brand, you can make money for years to come because it's a very long-term, very evergreen niche. Now, I feel like we only talk about manly niches, right? But let's talk about one that's more for the ladies, but not exclusively, women's fashion, and especially women over 50. And funny enough, I actually have a male client who's made tens of thousands of dollars with a channel just like these. This channel, Rock Your Fashion, is probably the perfect example, right? They're making videos like 10 Italian style secrets that change everything, 50 plus women's fashion, 7 genius white shirt styling hacks to look 10x more expensive, over 21,000 views 11 days ago, and some of their most popular videos are pulling in hundreds of thousands of views, as you can see, right? All in all, they're making about $3,000 per month, posting twice a week, and they're posting short videos as well, 11 minutes. I would say this is overall a decent, good channel. The channels I've seen usually make $3,000 to $4,000 per month consistently, but I would say $5,000 per month is a stretch until you really nail a new format or expand into other languages with other channels maybe. And actually, I think this niche is going to be even easier if you do it in another language, because I found 2 channels, one in Spanish and one in Romanian, that are making $1,000 to $2,000 per month with no competition. And I think all they're doing is they're just taking the videos that have worked well in English and they're just making them in another language, making some side hustle money. Translating the videos might be a little bit more complex and we can talk about it, but I just wanted to put this on your radar and know that it's possible to make money not only with English channels, but with channels in any language really. And finally, for niche number 10, let's talk about mega builds, construction, architecture, and massive engineering projects. The advantage is that you don't need to keep up with the daily trends, you just need to make sure that you are the first one or among the first to cover the new projects when they happen. So if you work in construction, architecture, or just love mega builds, this niche is perfect. It's evergreen, it's high paying, and has real exit value if you ever want to sell your asset. And let me show you 2 different examples that this can be done at 2 different levels, right? So the first one is mega builds, which obviously is probably one of the biggest channels in the space. They've been posting for 5 years now. They have videos that got 52 million views, 14 million views, almost 10 million views. So like they've really been there and done that for the longest time. I'm curious how many views they have in total. Yeah, over 400 million views, guys, right? You do the math on how much money that is. Give them a higher RPM, I would say 7 is pretty good. And they're still posting to this day every single week. Now, this tracker right here says they're making upwards of $14,000 per month. I would say it's more, but they definitely putting the effort in. They have a good production, and obviously they know what they're doing. They've been doing this for 5 years. However, you don't need to be mega builds to make money in this niche. Here's this other channel right here called Next Gen Production. They started making videos about 3 months ago, and they were kind of in a different niche, as you can see. They were more on the assembly line, on how things are made, etc. But now they've kind of pivoted and they are covering mega projects and construction. And this channel is also getting $3,000 per month with only 85 videos and 5,000 subscribers. I have a client in my community, actually, Salper, who built a channel like this, made $5,000 to $7,000 per month, and then sold the asset for $155,000. He used the money as a down payment of a new house, which I think is just amazing. So with that being said, I'm confident we can help you do something similar as well. So if you are interested in working together, use the link in the description to book a call and we can chat about it. See you in the next one.